Breaking inputs coming in as we speak. Union Minister Nishit Pramanik has slammed the TMC. Says no need to play politics over Mandir.
अभिषेक बनर्जी तो पॉलिटिकली वो तो इमेच्योर है, सो वो क्या कहा उसका जवाब मैं देना नहीं चाहूंगा, लेकिन आपने जब प्रश्न जो किया मैंने इसका उत्तर आपको दे देता हूं। यहाँ पर हम लोग सनातनी हैं, हिंदू है और राम हम लोग के लिए बहुत ही हमारा दिल में रहते हैं। और रामनवमी ये पहली बार नहीं, सालों से सदियों से मनाया जा रहा है, तो इसमें पॉलिटिक्स दूर दूर तक कहीं नहीं है। अगर उन लोगों को भी ऐसा लगता है कि उनको भी आना चाहिए तो वो भी रामनवमी का रैली में आएगा, जुलूस में आएगा, तो हम लोग उसको अभिनंदन करेंगे।
Pooja Mehta now joining us for more on this. Pooja, good evening. You know, the politics that began 2 days ago is only getting bitter on Ram Navami. Mamata Banerjee firing another barb. The BJP says that, look at the two tweets, her tweet on Eid and what she said on Ram Navami.
Well, absolutely. Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee has once again launched a blistering attack on the BJP and saying that today they have planned to resort to riots and thereafter they are going to reap benefits from the riots that they resort to in the upcoming elections. And she went on to say that, BJP has been trying to give this guarantee of riots, and time and again she's making such statements from the public meetings that she has been holding past several days. Today in Assam Silchar, well, she was addressing a public meeting. She once again resorted to the same remarks where she says that BJP will be resorting to riots today. She's aware of it. On the other hand, if I can show you the visuals around, we are at the location where VHP is to take out the procession on the Ram Navami festival. This is the very place which witnessed widespread stone pelting last year, and this stretch has now been cordoned off by the police. Heavy police deployment continues to remain at place here. The police has in fact also used drones to ensure that there are no people atop these buildings through which the route through which the procession is to go. And this is the Howrah area. In a short while from now, the VHP rally will pass through this stretch.
Okay, just stay with us.